Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, wireless module, hard disk drive, optical drive, keyboard, top cover, USB board, display assembly, display bezel, hinge covers, and display panel. Removal: disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam board. Remove the display panel cable from its metallic tabs and routing channel on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement: connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board. Route the display panel cable through its metallic tabs and routing channel on the display enclosure.